Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Baseus Car Washer Machine 50-watt 5-volt 2-amp portable cordless pressure washers. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. The first truly portable power cleaner, battery-powered design, 3.5 meter high-pressure water pipe with filter, washing cars anywhere. That lets you easily and quickly clean all your outdoor spaces and gear, cleaning car fences / patios / garden, wash cars and water flowers, clean floors and windows. Rotate the nozzle head to adjust the water pressure, measured 0.7 MPa water pressure 72 liters per hour flow rate. This car wash spray nozzle can be used anytime anywhere even without a power source. You can wash your car easily even if you live in a high-rise or go outdoors. Turn on the safety switch, press the trigger, rotate the nozzle to select water spray patterns and wet the car body. This pressure washers is equipped with 4 18,650 lithium batteries. Real-time battery percentage is shown at the end of the car washer machine to enjoy a thorough clean when it is full charged. 30-minute of long battery life, large capacity 8000 mAh batteries, real-time battery percentage. This efficient and time-saving pressure washers is suitable for daily cleaning and watering. Highly waterproof design offers higher safety performance to avoid battery short circuit due to water leakage. Battery-powered design for washing cars anywhere. Portable and cordless design pressure washers, car washer machine. The removable batteries on the bottom can be removed by rotating them to the left. There is a Type-C port on the front of the batteries. Disassemble and find the Type-C charging port. You can charge at any time. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.